In the Atlantic Ocean, the world's first semi-submersible floating offshore wind farm emerged off the coast of Portugal, marking a great step for mankind in developing renewable energy in the deep ocean.
Hengtong mobilized the world's largest rock installation vessel,
Developed an innovative submarine power system connecting solution, carried out a long-distance HDD, and ensured steady delivery of clean energy from the Atlantic to the European continent. In the Indian Ocean, the archipelago country, the Maldives, entrusted Hengtong with another challenging project: the Maldives Submarine Optical Communication Network.
create excellence, advocate civilization. With this mission in mind, Hengtong developed the world's longest jointless submarine optical cable.
After 30 days, Hengtong transformed the Maldives from 2G era to a 4G era, bringing marked welfare to the local community. Hengtong, an innovation-driven enterprise that spans diverse businesses such as optical communication, smart power grid, big data-based IoT, new energy and materials, drives the progress and prosperity of the world. As a world's largest system integrator and network service provider in the field of optical fiber network, one of the world's top 3 most competitive enterprises for optical fiber and cable, and the top 4 most competitive enterprises for cable industry. Hengtong leads the global optical communication industry to a new era of artificial intelligence, digital revolution, and the Internet of Things with quality and craftsmanship. Committed to the energy interconnection across mountains and waters, and across oceans and lands, Hengtong follows the trend of energy revolution and empowers the development of human society with smart grids and marine power transmission systems.
Green factory, green partnership, green action.
The green development concept of Hengtong has been weaved with its cables into global network of information communication and power transmission. Hengtong
believes social responsibility is the first responsibility of an enterprise. Poverty alleviation, job creation, community welfare, socio-economic development, wherever Hengtongers are, CSR is there.
With environmental protection as its consistent purpose, Hengtong considers sustainable development as the core of its corporate social responsibility, and makes its due contributions to energy saving, emission reduction, and the effort of the mankind to tackle global climate change. Hengtong, embracing the future with open arms, charting the course of a new round of industrial revolution with optical and electrical technologies, connecting the world with sincerity and responsibility, providing global customers with fast, quality services in instant response.